Hello everyone! Today is a very special day because BHK has organized an open house. This event is very special because it's only available once a year. Open house itself is an event that is held at an institution where its doors are open to the family of students to allow people to look around the institution and become familiar with the facilities and meet others. Okay, first we have physics booth. This is a very amazing booth with a lot of inventions like an aquarium and many others. These inventions were made by CURE members who studied really hard to make these. Next, you can join English Club to improve your conversation skills with a lot of fun methods and activity, even play some games together. Another unique booth is the Arts and Crafts booth. There are a lot of amazing creations that are displayed, like some bags made of straw, tablecloths, some cute handmade stuffed animals, and even a custom shoe. Next booth is the biology booth. This booth has displayed living geckos that are very colorful and cute. There are some figurines of any animals too. The last booth, we have photo booth and Teika booth. This is unique because you can get your own custom pins made by Aussie Squad. You can even get a pin of your favorite character. Aside from fascinating booths, there are some exciting activities too. There are a couple games like darting and ball toss. They also have some snacks like popcorn and bakso. Well, BHK family are super sweet and welcoming. We have the best teachers that are very personable, understanding, and even fun to be around. So gather around and become a part of BHK family. See you!